Gentlemen, gentlemen, and gentlemen.
Can I get a quorum on this? Was the chick doing the tolerance seminar the hottest one?
Are you
kidding me? I don't understand why the sexual harassment seminar has to be led by somebody so ugly.
Couldn't we get somebody harassable?
Oh, exactly. The instructor was giving him weird looks.
Well, we also said the same girl. Well, we kind of dated for a while. That's a whole different.
Wait, the one with the.
Oh yeah.
But like, did you guys?
Oh yeah.
Like that?
Well, not jumpy like little dogs, but
like this.
Don't do that.
All right, gentlemen, what can I get you?
The Velcro ball bag?
Never heard of it. And it's Betty.
Betty.
Yes.
I'll have a Betty.
Yes, what can I get for you?
just a salad.
We don't have salad.
All right. Wait a minute. All right. 4 beers.
4 beers.
You know what I want?
What can I get for you?
You have this a Shirley Temple.
Absolutely.
What are you, 9? Your bar mitzvah? This boy, the pineapple fantasy.
The pineapple fantasy.
It's got 4 kinds of rum and 8 kinds of fruit.
Does that taste like a Shirley
That's
Temple?
what you do.
It's like a Shirley Temple cooker.
I love hookers.
Hey, fantastic. I know you do.
I think she might be a hooker.
I've never actually done the alcohol.
Well, it's there it is.
Bobcat, and for the Sea Monster Pineapple Fantasy.
There it goes.
Enjoy it in good health.
I drink this? That's what I get.
Oh, yes, darling.
You don't get this down, you don't swallow this whole, pack your bags and apply for a job at the McDonald's, because that's where you're heading, my friend.
I'm not gonna like puke or something, right?
No, what are you talking? It's a,
No?
look, it's got fruit in it.
It's a juice.
It's
Gentlemen,
a juice.
a toast to termination without litigation.
There you go.
Wow. There it is. I like that.
It's like a bird bag.
I like that.
Now, does that exclude blowjobs in the office?
No, I think that's a separate heading. Man up.
Oh, yeah.
Smooth.
There you go.
Come on.
There you go.
Swedish.
Do not puke on that. Don't puke.
Do it. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot. Oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. You get that down.
All right. I kind of like it.
You better like
Can we get a bag,
He's gonna-
Betty?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta call. Oh, hello.
Yeah, hey.
What's your name?
Not for you.
Guess my name. Guess his name. Guess my name.
Dickwad.
Oh, that's your name, huh?
Third quarter numbers came in and they were not good. I'm not gonna lie.
You don't have
So
to.
you may have noticed from the bonuses.
Did you get a bonus? I haven't got a bonus in 7 years.
You got bonuses last year.
They got bonuses. I know it's bullshit. Okay, I'm gonna start stealing more shit.
Yeah, I gotta get a bigger truck.
So when are you gonna have to drop it in?
I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying if I wasn't gonna say something, if I was gonna say what I wasn't gonna say
When would you say something if you weren't gonna say something?
next week.
My father founded this company.
I know.
They're talking about caning me.
You don't scare those bobcats you got.
You want another shot?
You know what? What do you? Yeah, I'll have another shot.
I fucking carried him. You wouldn't believe it.
I don't know why you do it.
You couldn't have 2 in 1.
But it may not be the Herminator. That's what I'm saying.
Are you gonna be okay?
What's the matter with you? What is the matter with you?
Rum in this kid.
Have a little drink. You need a drink. Drink it up. Drink it up. There you go. There you go.
Drink it out.
Drink it up. There you go.
Never
There you
thinking.
go.
Let me lift it. Don't lift.
No, don't lift. No. Just suck that down.
Yeah.
You don't want to get fired, do you?
No.
I've been carrying me. No, yeah. You can't fucking go. I've been talking to you. You join us. You think I'm Bruce Douglas? You want to see Bruce Douglas? I will fucking Bruce Douglas. I will take you out. I will take you out. I will stop what you're doing right now. I will do this right now. This guy is saving your life. Fucking do it.
You don't think I know? You don't think I know? I know. I see it. I know I'm the one getting fired, and I don't care because because I'm sick of getting drinks for you, and especially you. So take this and have a lovely day. I'm done with it. I'm gonna start my own company, and I'm gonna be at the top of the world. Oh,
Sea
you
monster.
guys can kiss my ass.
Sea monster.
What?
You're not getting fired.